26-year-old very handsome pilot, Peter Bello of the ill-fated helicopter that crashed in a lagoon in Lagos yesterday, has still not been found. 4 persons were confirmed dead while 6 people were rescued alive. However, Peter and 1 other person are yet to be accounted for, as they have still not been found by divers. Reports has it that they were coming from Niger Delta after an oil-related inspection and were heading to Lagos when they encountered the mishap. Friends say Peter, who is also a media photographer, was planning for his sister's wedding coming up soon. Pray they find them alive. IJN.